Want your own AI assistant that remembers, learns, and automates your workflow? Meet Hermes Agent, an open source AI agent you can run on your laptop, VPS, or cloud server. Connect it to tools, memory, Telegram, Discord, and more. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Hermes Agent on a VPS using Contabo. Now we're inside the Contabo VPS portal. On the left-hand side, go to Servers and Hosting, then click VPS. Here, you'll see the list of VPS servers available in your account. In my case, I already have 2 VPS servers running Hermes Agent. Now I'll show you how to reinstall one of them. Click the 3 dots next to your VPS, then choose the reinstall option. For the standard image, select Ubuntu. Next, enter your new root password. Under Application, choose Hermes Agent. Once everything looks good, click Install. Contabo will now reinstall the VPS and deploy Hermes Agent automatically. In less than 5 minutes, your Hermes Agent VPS should be ready to use. And that's it, guys.
Now let's configure Hermes by typing Hermes setup, and let's choose quick setup for now. Right now, select the provider. If you want to set up locally, you can choose LM Studio, but for myself, I'm gonna use OpenAI Codex since I have a subscription to it. Right now, copy the link and then enter the code provided. Right, once you enter the code, it's all done and you can close. That's it, you log in successfully, and now select default model. I'm gonna choose the latest one, which is GPT 5.5, and for terminal backend I will keep current, which is local. And now let's set up messaging platform. Right, you got few options there, but in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up Telegram. Alright, now to create Telegram bot, basically you need to set up Telegram. Search, just type bot father, which is this one. Then you can create a new bot by typing new bot. For the username, I'm gonna use 002 underscore bot. Done. Save this link, and then for the token, this is your token. Done. Telegram token save. Now for security purposes, you can isolate allow user ID, so it's only your Telegram ID that can communicate with Hermes. So for this, go back to Telegram, go to search, and then just type user info, and you will see here your user info, and then this is your ID. Yes, and for the gateway, it should run in the background. I just choose user service because I'm running it on laptops. Actually, I'm gonna use system service, and I'm gonna run it as root because this is just a demo Hermes agent, but it's not recommended for security purposes. Yes, and that's it. So our Telegram bot is configured. This is our new bot. Let's test it there. Hey. Voila, it's working. That's it, guys. That's how you configure Telegram on Hermes agent.